sir. Oh my god. Oh my god. What do you think this is, guys? Ha ha ha. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Excuse me. Look at my sister doing this ugly work. Goodbye, Sam. Bye, Rachel. Goodbye.
Love is like chasing your tail, spinning and spinning. And trust me, it hurts when you catch it.
Tommy, come quick. The puppies are gone. I can't find them anywhere.
What? Gone? Oh no, what are you talking about? Maybe they're hiding somewhere. Senor, this isn't funny. This is so they're not in the house.
If anything happens to them, I don't know what I'll do.
Don't worry, mi amor. I will not let that happen.
Oh, where could they be?
They're in the pasta show, right?